So good evening students, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to discuss illustration number 29, okay, from ASIC syllabus HS second year B.B.Dam book Partnership Fundamentals part A unit number 1. Okay, so you see what is the question given out here. Jaideep and Rajdeep started a partnership business sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. Okay, so Jaideep and Rajdeep is sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 3:2. They contributed rupees 2 lakh and 1 lakh 60,000 respectively towards their capitals. So what is their amount of capital? It is 2 lakh and 1 lakh 60,000. Okay. The following are the terms and conditions of the agreement. Interest on capital allowed and charged on drawings is 8% per annum. So what is the interest on capital allowed and charged on drawings? It is 8% per annum. Jaideep and Rajdeep are to get monthly salary of rupees 2,000 and rupees 3,000 respectively. So Jaideep and Rajdeep will get monthly salary of how much? 2,000 and 3,000 monthly respectively. Okay, their profit and loss account for the year ended 31st December 2020 showed a net profit of rupees 1,37,580. So what is the net profit? It is 1,37,580. During the year 2020, Jaideep and Rajdeep withdrew cash rupees 20,000 and rupees 8,000 respectively for their personal use. So what is their amount of drawings? It is 20,000 and 8,000 respectively. On 1/10/2020, Jaideep took goods costing rupees 5,000, selling price rupees 6,000 for his domestic consumption. So on October, 1st October, what did Jaideep do? He took over the goods, costing rupees 5,000. But the selling price of the goods is rupees 6,000. Okay, so that is his drawings. Okay. He has withdrawn goods from the business for his domestic consumption. Goods were charged at cost price. Okay, so goods were charged at cost price, which is rupees 5,000. So prepare profit and loss appropriation account and partners capital account, assuming that capitals are fluctuating. Fluctuating means what? One time, capital is this, next time the capital becomes, the capital becomes another. Another means suppose Jaideep and Rajdeep has introduced capital of rupees 2 lakh and 1 lakh 60,000. Next time they have withdrawn some portion of capital, and the capital becomes 1 lakh and 50,000 suppose. So capital is not fixed. Whatever is contributed into the business, at the beginning of the business, the whole year round, the capital is not fixed. The partners are taking out capital and again contributing. So it's fluctuating, it's not fixed. The capital is not fixed. So you have understood their profit sharing ratio is 3:2. Amount of capital contribution is 2 lakh and 1 lakh 60,000. Interest on capital allowed and charged on drawings is 8% per annum. Jaideep and Rajdeep monthly salary is 2,000 and 3,000 respectively. Profit and loss account for the year ended 31st December showed a net profit of this 1,37,580. Jaideep took over goods. Jaideep and Rajdeep drawings is 20,000 and 8,000 respectively, and Jaideep's drawings for domestic consumption is of amount rupees 5,000. You have been asked to prepare PL appropriation account, partners capital account. So see the working. Calculation of interest on drawings. Okay, so first of all, Jaideep. So Jaideep has withdrawn rupees 20,000. This, okay, at the rate 8%. This, okay. So since no time period is mentioned, so it will be taken for 6 months. Okay, so when you cross it out, it will be rupees 800. Then again for, okay, goods costing rupees 5,000 has been taken out by Jaideep from the business. Okay, so this on rupees 5,000 at the rate 8% per annum for, okay, when did he take out the goods, Mr. Jaideep? On October. You see here 1/10/2020, that is October, and year ends on 31st December 2020 here. Okay, the last date. So from October 1st, October, November, December, it is 3 months. So on rupees 5,000, it will be at cost price, because it's clearly mentioned in the question that goods were charged at cost price. Okay, so on rupees 5,000 at the rate 8% per annum for 3 months. So it will be 100. Total total interest on drawings for Jaideep is 900. Now you see for Rajdeep, okay, it is 8,000 at the rate 8% again for 6 months, since no time period is mentioned. So it is 320. Got it? Now you see PL appropriation account. Okay, so you have to put the net profit here. Interest on drawings you have calculated. Okay, it's 900 and 320. Okay, for Jaideep and Rajdeep. You put the interest on capital. Okay, it is 8% of 2 lakh and 1,60,000. So that you write. Salary to partners is, you see, 2,000 and 3,000. So 2,000 into 12, 3,000 into 12. Okay, for Jaideep and Rajdeep you write separately. Okay, I am just teaching you. Okay, you are going to do the sum by yourself in your rough copies. Okay, then you take out the, okay, total, okay, the share of profit. Okay, it's 50,000 is the share of profit. Now you divide amongst Jaideep and Rajdeep in the ratio 3:2. It will be 30,000 and 20,000. Okay, so that is over PL appropriation account. Now come to partners capital account. Here you are going to write down the opening balance. What is the opening balance? 2 lakh and 1,60,000. Then interest on capital. Okay, for Jaideep and Rajdeep you are going to write separately. Okay, then to drawings account. Okay, so what is the amount of drawings? For Jaideep it is 25,000, because Jaideep has withdrawn goods of rupees 5,000 also. So 20,000 plus this 5,000. Jaideep's drawings will be 25,000 and Rajdeep drawings will be 8,000. So that is reduction in capital, yes or no, for Jaideep and Rajdeep. Okay, so that should be written on the credit side. Okay, sorry, debit side. Okay, then you see to interest on drawings account. Okay, you will write interest on drawings. Okay, you put the amount for Jaideep and Rajdeep. Okay, and then here, okay, by interest on capital put the amount, by salary to partners put the amount for Jaideep and Rajdeep, and by PL appropriation account the share of profit. Okay, it is 30 and 20,000. So that you write. Okay, so when you take out the total, the balancing figure will be 2,44,100 and 2,20,480. Okay, so that I have given the answers. Okay, when you will put all the figures, okay, in the accounts, okay, you will get these figures. If you get these figures, the sum is correct. Okay, so I hope you have understood. Only the critical thing in this sum is there is drawings of goods, okay, made by Jaideep. So that you have to calculate interest, okay, this way, and rest See, okay, rest all are same. Okay, salary to partners, okay, it's a new thing introduced. Okay, that you have to write, okay, in the debit side of PL appropriation account and credit side of partners capital account. Okay, so I hope this sum is clear to you. Okay, it's a bit critical one from B.B.Dam book. Okay, if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. I'm seeing that there are many viewers, okay, in my channel. You people are seeing, but I don't know why you are not subscribing me. Please subscribe me. I should be very grateful if you subscribe me. Thank you for today.